How to hide games played in Roblox. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the More page. Once you're over here, click on the Settings option. Now head over to the option Privacy and Content Restrictions. Now click on the option Communication. Click on Experience Chat. Set it to no one for both these options, Experience Chat and Direct Chat. Then head back. Click on the option Party. Set it to no one for both these options, Party and Group Party. Then head back. Now navigate to this option Visibility and Private Sectors. Now navigate to the option Visibility and Private Servers. Click on the option Private Servers. Set it to no one. Head back. Disabling these options will prevent Roblox from sending updates about your activity to your friends. And that's it. This is how you can hide games played in Roblox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.